Do you want to make an additional income per month or even per day? If that is the case, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to make a passive income online using some free tools that you can start right away.
Money, I want more money.
Just do me a favor, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and give it a like so that it also gonna help me to really create a new content for you guys and know what do you guys want to see next. And I'm gonna show you more ways to make money online and be free investing in other stuff. So just subscribe, hit the bell, and let's start. The first website I'm going to show you is called Redbubble. So this website, how it works, basically it's very simple. This one is free. Let's say do you want to sell something online, all right? Don't worry, everything is printed on demand. It means that you just gonna add some few simple things like some art or some just letter. I'm gonna show you right away. Just relax a little bit, and you can also sell something here. Let's say I'm gonna go, just for example, I'm going to clothing, right? And I go to clothing. Let me show you some other examples here, right here. And then if I search something like a funny, right? And then when I search something funny on clothes, you will see that there are many clothes right here. Do you see? All this is print on demand. Print on demand, if you don't really understand that, what I'm trying to say is like you just post something there, some art of yours, and then they're gonna print it for you and they're gonna ship it to the customers. It means that you don't have to even touch the product. You don't touch anything, you just collect the money. They're gonna send it to the customers, and this is a website that they have already a lot of traffic. It means that you don't have even to pay for traffic if you don't want, because it's all search. A lot of people come here to buy t-shirts, to buy other stuff. Now let's say if you know how to draw, you can draw things like that. If you know how to draw, of course, if you don't know, I'm going to show you another example as well. You see this one, this is a art that somebody did it, and it made it just on this t-shirt, right? And it's very simple. It's 18 euros. I think that it's about $20 right now. And let me show you, let me go back, let me show you another one, so that you, for instance, if you think that you don't know how to draw, there are many simple ways. Look to this one. There is no excuse for not doing something like that. Come on, everybody can do that. Now I'm going to show you where you can do that if you don't even know how to create these stylish things right here. So where you're going to find out, where you're going to do it for free. Basically, you just create some customizable letters and with some kind of controversial things or words. You can go to canva.com, right? Canva.com, which is so simple, guys, very simple. Canva.com, and then create an art, create a design, presentation. And let me just show you here some few presentation that I have here. Let me say that I'm gonna use some customized size. I'm gonna use it like 800 by 800, just for example. And you will see that there are plenty of example here in Canva. You see, this is like a plenty of example. Let me say that I want to design this one, right? And then I said here some letters or some words better that I can find on different websites. Like you can go to Reddit and you go to meme pages on Instagram. You find some cool stuff that post with the most amount of likes, right? And then you create some art for that. Let's say I'm just gonna write here something that I can remember right now. And when you do that, if you don't have the Canva Premium, you can't export that without the background. So let me show you example. Let me show you how you can go over that, guys. So let me just delete this one because this one has Canva Premium stuff. And okay, let me download this. When you download that, it's gonna come with the white background. But of course, there you go. Wouldn't come with the white background, but of course there is a way around that. Let me show you this website. It's called remove.pg upload. You click to this website and then you go to the specific page where is your letter, and then it will remove the background, which is so amazing. Then you download again this picture, right? Download again these pictures, and then you have the pictures without over there, the letters without the background, which is amazing. And then you can just sign up to this website. I'm going to leave the link in the description if you want to try it out. It's free, you don't pay anything. You just put your website here, or better, you put your work here, and you sign up, and then you can add your designs, add your work, create an avatar. It's all very, very simple. Let me add a design here. I'm going to put the design, right click here, add a design, and then I'm going to put this design here. It's all simple. You see that, guys? Simple. This is the design, it's ready. And then I'm gonna English title required. You can put success. Of course, you need to add some tags, something that you really can remember, or something that you understand a little bit more. You can go in depth about that, guys. So it's all very, very simple. It's all simple. I'm not gonna go through that all the time. And you can see that on different t-shirts, right? T-shirts, and then you can customize that if it's so very small. You can you can create the size to be more like big one. Of course, I did this with very, very small size. You need to do that with when you go to Canva, creating one with customizable size, like let's say one 1200 for this one, 1200, and so on, so that your print can be very, very big, and then you can customize it and add a different one layout here, guys. This one is simple, and then you can sell your t-shirts as well, just like other people. They are selling that for $20, and then they're gonna get a profit for, let's say, $5, $3, 3 to 5 or 7 sometimes. It depends really what you are selling. This is very easy. Come on, you can sell even t-shirts, and basically you don't do anything. You see this one, these stickers, they're gonna do that for you. This is a sticker. People printed on and put it on different pages. So this is the first one, guys. If you have a doubt about that one, just click comment below. I'm gonna show you as well how you can go around that, and you can sell pillow. There are plenty of different examples here, guys. Backpack, plates, books, and even mask with your own print, with your own customizable art, and so on. So the second work we're gonna be Shutterstock. Well, this website basically, of course, people come here to sell or buy, let's say, pictures, footage, and music templates, and many other things as well. But you can also do the same here. For instance, if you not do art, you can create customizable art. If you don't know how to do that, guys, just go to Canva. There are plenty of examples. Create your own stylish, and you can also sell it here. It's all simple. It's very, very simple. You can see this one, for instance, this footage. She is selling this footage for $149, the 4K version, and in HD 559, 50 if it's just SD. Guys, this is something that you can do if you have a good camera with a good, for instance, iPhone with a good quality. You can take a good pictures. You can take a good, create a good videos and sell it right here. So the third one, we're gonna be test broker. This one is more for if you are American, guys. You basically can make money writing, just writing, exactly writing. This one is very simple. You can, let's go here to payment, for instance, right? You can, when you register, they're gonna pay you. For instance, if you have a good quality rating, you're gonna 5 cents per word, which is amazing. 5 cents per word. If you use the calculator, you're gonna see that 5 cents per word. If you write at least 100, right? Let's say 5 cents per word. It's about, let's see, 5 cents per word. If you write, let's say, 1,000 words, which is like common one per day, you can get $50 per day, which is awesome, amazing. But of course, this website is just for American right now. If you would keep trying, probably they're gonna also help you out with that, with your registration, and then you can do the calculation here. It's all very simple. For instance, if you can write let's say 200 or better 2,000 words per day, you're gonna get 18 and so on for this quality. Okay, if you have like a good quality, let's say 5 quality, you're gonna get $135 dollars, which is awesome, very, very, very awesome. So guys, this is just another method as well, so that you can try it out. And do not give excuse, please. You don't have excuse for not trying to use something like that, then make a little bit of money, because times like that, guys, you have to at least make a little bit more of money. Just give it a try. You don't have nothing to lose. It's free. You have time, and try it out and see what works. Basically, that's it, guys, for this video. And subscribe, hit the bell notification. I want to create more short videos so that you can understand more, a little bit more, guys. Subscribe, hit the bell, and yeah, YOLO YOLO.